Mastering QR code search, filter, sort, and find. On the custom code screen, you'll see 8 columns. By hovering over any column title, a small arrow will appear. This is the column filter. Clicking it lets you sort your QR codes in the order you prefer. There are also several interactive fields on this page. At the top, you'll find the Select User drop-down. If you're a super admin, you can view and switch between all users. If you're a single user, sometimes called an additional user or seat, you'll only see the codes belonging to your own user account. If a super admin wants multiple people to manage the main dashboard, the current workaround is to share their login details. We do have team member access on the roadmap and expect this to be available soon. Next, let's look at rows per page. Clicking the down arrow here lets you choose to display anywhere from 10 to 200 rows at once. Selecting 10 will add page navigation at the bottom of the screen. Selecting 200 will add a scroll bar on the right-hand side. Page navigation will still appear whenever you have more than 200 QR codes. It simply remains at the bottom of the list.
As you scroll down, there's also a Return to Top button to make things easier.
By default, the dashboard shows only the QR codes you've created today.
So if I create 7 new codes right now and click OK,
They appear together on their own, without mixing with older codes.
and you get a message when your new QR codes have been successfully created.
This makes it easier to concentrate on the new codes. The Filter by Date field lets you change this view, from QR codes created today to those created in the last 3 days, or within the last 3 months. And finally, you can use the search bar to filter by any word, phrase, or number. For example, searching for 3 days will show only QR codes created within that period. Searching for Meet the Team will display just those matching codes. Clearing the search box returns you to the full list.